Welcome to Yard Mojo. Today we're diving into an unexpected gardening treasure, leftover bricks. Imagine transforming mundane bricks into functional decorative elements that not only beautify your garden, but also contribute to a sustainable environment. It's all about creativity, recycling, and eco-friendly practices. So, if you've got a few bricks lying around, don't rush to discard them. Stay tuned to discover 8 creative ways to use leftover bricks to enhance your garden. First on our list is the brick outdoor book stand. Imagine an outdoor book holder built entirely from a stack of leftover bricks. It's not just a place to store your gardening book haul, but also a place to lose yourself in your fave books. With its rugged appeal, a brick bookstand blends with nature, adding a touch of rustic charm. It's a testament to how you can transform ordinary bricks into something functional and visually appealing, and it's eco-friendly too. It's the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Moving on to a fun and interactive element, the brick chess or checkers board. Imagine transforming leftover bricks into an outdoor game board. This not only provides an entertaining twist to your garden, but also encourages interaction. Whether it's a casual game of checkers on a lazy Sunday afternoon or a riveting chess match under the stars, this feature is bound to be a hit. It's a beautiful way of blending leisure with nature. Who knew bricks could bring so much fun to your garden? Next up, we have the brick herb markers. Picture this: your herb garden beautifully organized and labeled with stylish brick markers. Not only do these markers add a decorative touch to your garden, but they also make identifying your herbs a breeze. No more guessing games. Now you'll know your basil from your rosemary at a glance. All you need are some leftover bricks, a paint marker, and a bit of creativity. Brick herb markers are a charming way to keep your herbs organized. Let's move on to an eco-friendly innovation: the brick butterfly feeder. In the world of sustainable gardening, we often overlook the critical role played by pollinators. Butterflies, with their fluttering grace, not only add a dash of color to our gardens, but are also key players in pollination. Now imagine turning a simple brick into a sanctuary for these delicate creatures. By adding a few touches like nectar-filled flowers and a shallow water source, a humble brick enclosure becomes a haven for butterflies. Now let's talk about a low-maintenance beauty, the brick moss garden. Imagine a lush carpet of green nestled between your bricks, adding a touch of whimsy to your outdoor space. This isn't just visually appealing, it's also a no-fuss touch of greenery. Moss thrives in various conditions and requires little upkeep. It's a great way to fill those gaps between bricks while adding a layer of texture and color. A touch of moss on bricks can create an enchanting spot in your garden. Adding a touch of artistry with the brick garden pedestal. Imagine elevating your favorite eye-catching sculpture or focal point on a DIY pedestal made from leftover bricks. This not only recycles leftover materials, but also adds a raised visual element to your outdoor space. It's like having your own personal art exhibit right in your backyard. And the beauty of it, you can customize it to match your garden's aesthetic. A brick pedestal for your garden sculpture, a simple yet impactful idea. Next, we have the brick mosaic stepping stones. Unleash your inner artist and create a unique path through your garden design. By arranging leftover bricks in different patterns, you can form mosaic stepping stones that are as practical as they are beautiful. This not only adds to the overall yard design, but also repurposes materials in a sustainable way. Each step you take on these stepping stones will remind you of your ingenious use of leftover bricks. Pattern your bricks and lay out your stepping stone design as you see fit. Finally, we have the brick border for a pond or water feature. This is where your leftover bricks can truly shine. By creating a border around your pond or water feature, you not only add a charming, rustic touch, but also give the entire area a beautifully finished look. It's all about enhancing your garden design, making it more inviting and pleasing to the eye. With bricks, even a simple water feature can become a stunning focal point. We've journeyed together through 8 transformative uses for these humble leftovers. From an outdoor bookstand, adding functionality and aesthetic appeal to your garden, to a chess or checkers board, injecting an interactive element into your outdoor space. We've seen how simple brick herb markers can keep your herbs organized. We've created a habitat for pollinators with a brick butterfly feeder and embraced the low-maintenance beauty of a brick moss garden. Bricks have served as pedestals for our garden sculptures. We've walked on mosaic stepping stones and we've bordered our ponds and water features, enhancing the overall garden design. Thank you for checking out Yard Mojo. For more tips and garden trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the magic in your garden.